Our home, the Milky Way explained. Welcome, fellow space enthusiasts, to another video explaining the mysteries of the universe. Today we will embark to a journey explaining the galaxy we all live within, the Milky Way. If you like this content and are as curious and fascinated as I am about the cosmos, join our space community and subscribe to this channel. Let's explore and learn more about the universe and its mysteries. Now let's dive straight into the video. Now, what even is the Milky Way? For starters, the Milky Way is the galaxy that contains our solar system and its sun, planets, and moons. But there is more, a lot more to explore. Now imagine the Milky Way as this gigantic, swirling city in the cosmos. Yup, it's not just any city. It's our galaxy, a mind-blowingly huge collection of stars, planets, asteroids, and all things space. Now, this cosmic city isn't just scattered randomly. Oh no, it's got style. Our Milky Way is actually a barred spiral galaxy. That means it's got this central bar-shaped region, kind of like the downtown area, surrounded by these majestic spiral arms stretching out into space. And when I say huge, I mean it. The Milky Way is colossal, with an estimated diameter of about 100,000 to 120,000 light-years. Just to put that into perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you 100,000 years to cross it. Talk about a serious road trip. The Milky Way is absolutely enormous, containing somewhere between 100 to 400 billion stars. Wrap your mind around that number. It's mind-boggling how many suns, planets, and possibly life forms are out there. Now, here's the cool part. Our solar system, with Earth as its precious home, is just a tiny dot in one of these spiral arms. We're like the cozy suburbs in this galactic city, specifically in an area called the Orion Arm or Local Spur. So, every time you look up at the night sky, you're gazing into the outskirts of this incredible galactic neighborhood. What is the origin of the Milky Way and how did it form? Picture this, way back in the cosmic past, around 13.8 billion years ago, there was this massive explosion, the Big Bang. It was like the universe's grand opening, and it scattered all these crazy elements like hydrogen and helium all over the place. Now, these elements were like the building block. They started coming together, thanks to the cosmic glue we call gravity. Slowly but surely, these building blocks formed galaxies, and guess what? Our Milky Way was one of them. Inside our galaxy, stars started popping up like celebrities on a red carpet. They formed clusters, planets tagged along, and voila, our cosmic neighborhood was born. Over billions of years, the Milky Way became the happening spot in the universe, complete with stars, planets, and maybe even a few alien dance parties. The Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be about 13.6 billion years old. This age is determined based on the ages of the oldest star clusters within the galaxy and observations of the oldest known white dwarf stars. Scientists believe the Milky Way formed not long after the Big Bang, making it one of the oldest galaxies in the universe. Where is the Milky Way located? The Milky Way is located in a place called the Local Group. The Local Group is a small cluster of galaxies in the vast cosmic ocean we call the universe. Think of it as a galactic neighborhood, a gathering of galaxies that are bound together by the force of gravity. Within this neighborhood, there are more than 54 confirmed galaxies, with potentially more yet to be discovered. Now, what makes the Local Group intriguing is that it's not dominated by one or two massive galaxies, but rather, it's a mix of big galaxies like our Milky Way, the Andromeda Galaxy, M31, and the Triangulum Galaxy, M33, along with numerous smaller dwarf galaxies. In addition to these notable galaxies, there are several dwarf galaxies in the Local Group, such as the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, and dwarf elliptical galaxies like M32 and 110, which orbit around the larger galaxies in the group. The Local Group provides a unique laboratory for studying galaxy interactions and evolution. Astronomers closely observe the members of this group to gain insights into how galaxies form, evolve, and interact with each other. This small cosmic gathering offers valuable clues about the larger processes at play in the universe, helping scientists piece together the intricate story of our cosmic origins. In essence, the local group is like a microcosm of the universe, allowing scientists to explore the dynamics of galaxies in a more manageable scale, offering valuable lessons about the nature of our vast and ever-expanding universe. Now back to the largest galaxy in the local group, Andromeda. So imagine the Milky Way, our cozy home in the universe, and Andromeda, our neighboring galaxy that's been hanging out in the cosmic neighborhood. These two massive galaxies are on a collision course. Yup, you heard it right now. Don't worry, this collision isn't happening tomorrow or even next year. We're talking about a cosmic event that's set to go down in about 4 billion years from now. But when it does, it's going to be a spectacle like no other. When the Milky Way and Andromeda finally crash into each other, they'll create a breathtaking dance of stars and gas, merging and forming new structures in the process. Picture dazzling fireworks, but on a galactic level. It's a mesmerizing and slightly chaotic cosmic ballet. Scientists have actually been studying this collision for a while, using super fancy telescopes and simulations to predict how it's all going to go down. And guess what? We'll still be around to witness it, at least in some form or another, because this collision won't happen for a long time. So, sit back, relax, and marvel at the incredible cosmic show that our universe has in store for us in the distant future. Until then, keep gazing at the stars and dreaming about the wonders of the universe. We can discuss the local group in a separated and more detailed video. Now let's head back to the Milky Way. The Milky Way isn't just about stars. It's also chock full of nebulae, star clusters, and all kinds of cosmic eye candy. Nebulae are vast clouds of gas and dust where new stars are born, and star clusters are groups of stars that form from the same cosmic cloud. These beauties add to the galaxy's breathtaking visuals, making it a favorite among astronomers and stargazers alike. And let's not forget about the supermassive black hole chilling at the Milky Way's center. Yup, you heard me right. There's a ginormous black hole called Sagittarius hanging out there, with a mass equivalent to around 4 million times that of our Sun. It's like the mysterious, gravitational heart of our galaxy, pulling and shaping the space around it. The Milky Way is also special because it's not just a random collection of stars and gas, it's a cosmic ecosystem. Stars are born and die here, creating elements that scatter back into space, eventually forming new stars, planets, and possibly life. It's a cycle of creation and destruction that has been ongoing for billions of years. Lastly, the Milky Way is special to us because it's our window to the wider universe. By studying our galaxy, scientists can learn about the fundamental processes that govern galaxies everywhere, helping us unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. I hope you liked this video surrounding our home, the Milky Way. Don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your fellow space enthusiasts, and subscribe to see more content surrounding space. See you in the next video.